course, it's an Amazon product, and what Amazon product would be complete without any instructions? Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So of course I was on Amazon again looking for products to try for you guys and just products in general, and I came across these winged eyeliner stencils. I think I tried them several years ago and I decided to get these because these have variety in them. There are some really graphic liner stencils in here, which I absolutely love, but I do not have the time, the patience, or the skill level, let's be honest, to do some of these looks that some of these people are doing. So I figured that this would be a good way to try those out for you guys. If they work, great. If not, they were only a few dollars. If you guys want to watch me try these, then make sure to stay watching. And do a real quick face, and then we'll go ahead and get to the stencils. You guys just really are not good at doing eyeliners, and then you guys have plenty to go. Oh, so I haven't even opened this yet, and now I'm looking and seeing. Now there's stencils for like hearts and stuff too. How cute is that, you guys? So if you guys want to do hearts or stars, that's in there. And look, there's packs and packs and packs of these. I think the only other ones that are in here, unless I am wrong, let me look, guys. I haven't even opened these yet. Okay, so there's two types of eyeliner. These are the more graphic kind, which I'm excited to try. So I think we'll go ahead and do a regular one, and then we'll do a graphic one. All the products that I'm using, I will make sure to link in the description box below so you guys can see these stencils. Sorry, I did not come prepared. I could have just had my face done, but what's the fun of that? What's the fun in that, guys? Go ahead and get this on. So I'm going to try not to put my eyelids where the stencil's going to go, because I don't want it to slip right off my face. I'm going to bring this powder on my eyelids because my eyelids are looking hella shiny. And I'm just about to put this liner on. I don't want it all greasy everywhere. And do my eyebrows real quick. I'm going to do those off camera. I have a ton of eyebrow tutorials for you guys to check out, including where I relaxed or permed my eyebrows, which I actually just did them again yesterday and loved the fact that they stay nice and straight. I'll link all of these up here in the eye for you on eyebrows, but we've been there, done that. Y'all see my brows, nothing's changed, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, the brows are done. Okay, so I guess now we'll go ahead and get onto the stencil. I don't want to put too much under my eyes or anything like that because I'm going to be wiping it off. So I decided to go ahead and try this with a regular felt tip eyeliner and then a liquid eyeliner. So let me see, my felt tip, where did she go? The felt tip liner that I've been using lately is by Maybelline. It is the Precise All Day Matte eyeliner, and felt tip, I say, is, for people who don't know, it looks like a marker up top, and this I think is the easiest type of eyeliner to use, especially if you are new to doing eyeliner or winged or anything like that. It's just like using a pen, like writing. So I always suggest using those if you are new. And then I wanted to try maybe the more, you know, graphic liner with a liquid eyeliner, and I didn't have any black liquid eyeliner anywhere. I don't know where my black eyeliner is, but I do have a couple of liquid eyeliners in different colors. You guys can get a feel for how it looks with liquid eyeliner. I think it's probably going to work better with a felt tip. If it doesn't stick very well on the eye, we will see. I am super concerned about that. You know, like when you paint and you don't tape it off good and it melts all through under the paint. The regular ones, as you can see, they're upside down. So this would go on this eye like this, and this one would go on this eye like that. So let's go ahead and try the first one. So like I said, it's just the sticker, and you can place it on your eye at any angle. You can, it looks like you can place it up higher or lower for a thicker wing. So, or angle it so that the wing is more straight for people who have more of a hooded eye. Like I do, I have a little more of a hooded eye. So let's go ahead and just place this on and see what angle we want it. I hope you guys can see that. And the tape is sort of flexible so that you can sort of trim it, like, you know, move it the way you want. And that looks pretty good. So this is what we look like. Let me go ahead and make sure that that is stuck on there pretty good. You can use this with a like dry eyeliner as well. That way you could just get the shape and then fill it in with a liquid eyeliner or other types of eyeliner. It's just supposed to be, you know, a guideline. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with eyeliner. It looks like it's stuck pretty good, except for here in this little area where my eyelid is a little raised, but we're going to go ahead and try it. So I'm just going to start filling it in. And I guess you don't have to worry about getting it on anything because it's going to be peeled right off. And I know I'm going to have to fix the inner corner because that's super thick. I don't really use my eyeliner on the inner corner super thick like that. For purposes of today though, we'll go ahead and fill all that in, and I'm sure there's going to be some cleanups. I do have some Q-tips ready for that. Okay, guys. So it is filled in pretty well. I'm going to let it dry for just a second before I go ripping it off. That way it doesn't smear everywhere. Of course, it's an Amazon product, and what Amazon product would be complete without any instructions? So I have no idea if I'm doing it the wrong way. It didn't say anything. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and try to pull it up here and peel her off. Okay, so it did smear a little bit, but like I said, I expected that. I have some Q-tips I'm going to go in with and clean that up. So let me get that cleaned up. It's a little bit of a mess. Let me just go ahead and clean this up. And like I said, guys, this is probably more for a guideline. It's not going to give you like the perfect wing. It's just going to give you a guideline. That way you can go back in and fill it in like I'm about to do now. Okay, so that's what she looks like. A little messy. I'm going to go ahead back in and clean that up. Yeah, so not bad, guys. That looks really, really good. Can you guys see that? Like I said, are not used to doing eyeliner and you needed a guideline. Definitely think that would work. Let's go ahead on this eye and try like a different angle, maybe a little closer to the lid, maybe a little more arched on this side, just so you guys can see. But for me, with my eye shape, you guys can see I have hooded eyes. This, making it more straight here at an angle, works best, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see it under my hooded eye. I'm gonna try a little closer to the lid so it's not such a thick line, and up a little more. Okay, so that's gonna give that one a completely different shape. I can already tell. That liner again and try this side. Try not to go under the tape so much. Hopefully that helps a little with the smudging. So that is on there like that. Pull it on this side this time. Okay, a lot less smearing, but it still needs a little bit of work. So Q-tip is cleaned up, and I'm just gonna wait for that to dry a little bit. Let me go ahead and fill this back in. So that's the angle I had it. You can see that angle is not cute on my eye, but an easy fix for that would just to be go across here and fill that in a little more. This line straight to that line. So yeah, you can see the difference in winged liners with just one stencil on how you place it. Let me see if you guys can see that. So this is more like the way I would wear it for my hooded eyes. People who don't have that problem, y'all can take that damn angle straight up to the gods with no problems, but the rest of us can't do that. But anyway, that's what that looks like. Go ahead and wipe this off, and I think we're going to try the more graphic stencil with liquid liner. So let me go ahead and wipe this off, and I'll be right back. Went ahead and wiped off that liner. Now we're going to go start with the other stencils. What did I do with them? The more graphic stencils. So we're going to go and try these. And like I said, I want to try it with a liquid liner, and the only liquid liners I have are colorful liquid liners. So I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights in purple. And this is a liquid liner. When I say liquid liner, it has a brush on the end and it is liquid. So that is the difference for those of you who are not sure. I feel like this is probably going to be even a little more bleed through, a little more mess. And I don't know how to fix that. I guess maybe the more I mess around with these and try different types on this page. There's the top one you guys can see that's a little more swishy, and then these here. I think I'm going to try the middle ones there. So I'm going to angle it. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to angle it more down. Okay, so I don't know how this one's supposed to work because my eyelid's too small. I sort of just smushed it up that way, which is good that you sort of can bend these to fit your eye shape. I'm wondering if I should just go ahead and do just a regular like pencil, eyeliner pencil, and then go in and do the liquid because it wouldn't smear that much. I could just, you know, go over the lines and trace. Let's do that. Let me find the liner that's just a regular liner. I will be right back. I went ahead and just grabbed a Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in purple. I guess you could put it in any color if you're going to cover it up with a liner. So I'm going to just try to do like the outline and see if that works better, and then I can go back in and fill it in with the liquid liner. And this doesn't have to be perfect because it's just going to be something you're going to cover up anyway. So let's see if that works, even if it's like a lightest of lines. That way you're not making a complete mess. Let's off and see what this looks like. Okay, still a bit of a mess, but these are areas that we're going to cover up, so I don't think it was a complete fail. So this is what she's looking like. And I'm going to go in with the liquid liner and just fill that spot in. I think that's probably going to work better than just getting liquid liner all over the place. Just cover up what I just marked with that liner. Yeah, what do you guys think? These graphic designs I'm not super used to, so this is out of my comfort zone. I probably need to try a look with these and see how that goes. But yeah, very cool. I think we're going to go ahead and try it on the other side the way that I said in the first place, with just sticking that bad boy on there and seeing how messy it gets underneath. Let's do that. Go ahead and take this off and see the mess we made. Okay, so yeah, she's a little she's a little messy like I thought. So we'll go ahead and get that Q-tip and get to work. Okay guys, so that's as good as it's gonna get. I don't know about the graphic liner. Graphic liner, I'm not super comfortable with that. It's definitely something that I have to play with to get used to, but the regular eyeliner ones, just the plain winged liner, these are great. I definitely recommend these. Yeah, what do you guys think about the graphic liner? I'd have to do like a whole look for these to, you know, figure it out, play with it, see what I can do. But it does make a really, really good line if you just go back in and clean it up. This one looks really good. This one, she needs a little help. Definitely like these. I will make sure to link these in the description box below if you guys want to check these out. They were super affordable. You get a ton of them in a pack. And then you also get these little Let me see. The little hearts and stars. I can't find them right now. Are really cool. I'm going to try these, I think, with eyeshadow looks. So we'll see how that works out. But yeah, anyways, no complaints. If you guys have tried any of these or tried this particular brand, let me know in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.